We need Brian to start a trivia soon.
Do this for a few, and we got trivia tonight. We're giving away, how much are we giving away?
10 $100 prizes on Raja Free Play and 5 $250 prizes.
All right.
Plus on
trivia.
Patreon, if you haven't joined Patreon yet, you better join. 5 people get $1,000 each tonight.
Wow.
Yep.
And we're doing $1,000 spins
That's right.
live. The world's largest group pull tonight on Patreon. So this is the time to be part of Patreon. Three more.
Brian, trivia.
Yeah, I have all these spam messages I'm going through from Brian Sanders.
Got it.
Good to see you. Hey, it's going. Hey, Doug. Come on. Already 1,000 people in under a minute watching live. Well, hopefully people will join us tonight. It is election night. 47, almost half the population says the most stressful day of their life.
That's right.
Hashtag Raja booming up. We're going to. Thank you guys for all the good luck wishes and hashtag Rajas. Wyoming. North Dakota. Yeah, we knew he was going to get that one. South Dakota.
South Dakota. New York, huh?
I mean,
New York was just close. So Biden won New York. That's why he's at 129.
Colorado, yeah, he's not going to win Colorado.
Say it again? Okay.
Thank you, Chelsea. $5 lucky super chat.
Yeah, you can start with like where you can buy more.
Lick Kate, $2, $2.29 super chat. Good luck tonight, Raja. Thank you so much, Lick Kate.
Major!
Oh, wow, we got a lot of new YouTube sponsors today. Patricia, Mark, Chris, Alan, Brian, and Lick Kate. Welcome all our new, there we go, that's a good one. Welcome all our new YouTube sponsors. Have access to those really cool emojis.
All right, Brian's going to do his first trivia question
First
right
trivia
now.
already.
For $100 or $250, Brian?
1 second. We still have people buying in tonight. I mean,
Awesome.
Wow.
I'll have to check a little bit. So
We're going to have the world's largest group pull in the history of America.
all right, guys. First question for $100 on RajahFreePlay.com. Answer in chat. I'll announce the winner. And if you win, put your username and a mod. We'll write it down and send the list over. And free play will be credited in 24 to 48 hours, guys. On Raja Free Play, in what game can you buy a straight bonus? In what game can you buy a straight bonus for $100?
Bonsai Yama Review. $5 super chat. Scott, thank you for a great night. Naomi and I had a blast. Wishing you tons of luck.
And the winner is...
BBBB. Thank you, Bonsai. It was awesome to see you guys in person. What a surprise.
And the winner is Alan Simpson for $100 free play on RajahFreePlay.com. Alan, put your username in the chat and a model will write it down and they'll credit you within 24 to 48 hours. And might as well do question number 2 right now. Give some fast fingers, guys.
Is that for 100 or 250, Brian?
For 100.
All right. Get the hundreds out of the way.
All right, this should be an easy, guys. We're playing high stakes. First person to put a car emoji live right now gets $100 on Raja Free Play.
Well, that's easy.
Put a car emoji online. Brian Miller got it. That was quick. Brian Miller, post your username on Raja Free Play. And if you guys don't have an account yet, you can sign up and get one.
Yep.
No problem, guys.
This is free play. And when you sign up, you get 30 free spins on Mystic
Mystic
Wolf.
Wolf. Yeah.
Yep. So
So-
Better
This is
sign
all-
up so you can win the trivia, guys.
This is all free. We don't ask you to spend money to do
RajahFreePlay.com.
anything. All free.
so the mods will be getting all the winners $100.
welcome everybody.
Hit the major one.
Welcome everyone. If you haven't followed us yet, make sure you click that subscribe button to follow us on YouTube, and also that gray bell so you get notifications when we go live. Dan, a $1 lucky super chat. Thank you, Dan. If you guys haven't followed Bonsai Yama Review yet, or Naomi's Slack channel, make sure you do. Bonsai, this was weird. Bonsai did a review of my bedroom. I don't know why. And then he went into Brian's room and just did a review of the tub. There was some weird stuff last night. So you want to see Brian's review of his tub in his room by Bonsai? Quentin 279 super chat. Add me to group. I signed up. I can't miss it. They will. Just make sure you follow the directions when you get added or signed up for Patreon. They will get you in there. Lots of time, guys. Don't stress out. We will make sure you're all added. All right, next trivia question for $100 on Raja Free Play. Whoever gets it right, make sure you put the answer, and then whoever wins, make sure you put your username so that the mods can write it down. All right. What is the name of Brian of Denver's #1 favorite rubber ducky? What is Brian of Denver's ducky? Got Yellow, Chad, Lucky Ducky, Pop Ducky, Bill, Raja Duck, what? Chucky, Mini-Me, Fuzzy Picture, that's not the name of a duck. George, $2 super chat. Good luck from Michigan, hashtag Raja. Rubber Ducky, Raja, Dairy, Bubble Duck, Daffy, Jeff. I haven't seen it yet. Trump Ducky, Ernie, Bally, Caveman, Bob. There it is. Tom-O got it. Donald Duck. That's his favorite duck. Tom-O, send us your name for $100 in a Raja Free Play. Congratulations. All right. Doing the final spins on this game. Maxed out. The lights. Let's do it. 45 a spin, maxed out. We just need one bonus. How's the picture look? How's the picture look to you? Oh, that's good. All right, come on. There we go. All right, come on, I need that bonus.
For $250. Back in July, we had the Raja's birthday bash. At what casino was the event at in July? First person to answer $250 in Raja Free Play.
I know, I'm wearing the shirt.
Andre Jones. Andre Jones, congratulations. It's the Atlantis Casino Resort Spa in Reno. Send your username on the chat right now, and one mod will put it down, and your credit will be added in 24.
Puts corner $1 lucky upside down smiley face. Come on, all we need is one wheel spin. Oh, there we go. 2 times 2. That's it?
2.
I guess we didn't get a good symbol. There's nothing there. I got excited. Welcome everyone joining us tonight on election night. Derek Lancaster, $2 super chat. I was before him on my chat. Derek says he was before him.
Yeah, because I did have a hard time the last time. It's alright, you're extending the invitation. If you want it, I'd love to have another one. Alright, buddy.
Alright, well, that wasn't any fun on that one. Jeff Patterson won between $60,000 and $75,000 for the world's largest group pool. Greg Carter, $2 super chat. Good luck tonight. Thank you, Greg. It was good seeing you last week. Alright. Oh, there we go. 125 bucks. Come on. One more hard hat we needed there. Come on. Just give us some hard hats. There you go, little piggy. Almost 3,000 people watching live. What do you guys, welcome, Why I Have One. Welcome, our newest YouTube sponsor has access to those really cool emojis now. I wonder, do you think there's more people watching us on YouTube Live or watching the elections tonight? 5 again. Come on. There we go, a little something. It's gonna be big tonight, guys. The world, one more! World's largest group pool in history. Richard, $10 super chat. I love Raja Free Play. Just wish it loved me more. Where is everybody watching from tonight? Where are you guys all watching from? Marco, $2 super chat. Is the group poll on YouTube later? Good luck, Raja. The group poll will be on Patreon after this live stream. Somewhere between $60,000 and $75,000. Oh, you see that new Keno game? There's a new, on those new machines, there's a new Keno game. Yeah. Yep. So if you've ever thought about joining Patreon, this is the time. I even went live this afternoon. You guys got some live Patreon. I was doing $200 spins on Black Widow and a bunch of stuff. But yeah, got a little live Patreon this afternoon. Said I told everybody, I said, I got a little surprise for you. 15 minutes and I was live. I had live Patreon last night. Come on. One bonus here. Josh, $5 super chat. Get that 250K ball tonight, Scott. Good luck. Thank you, Josh. We gotta get it. You want your card? You want your card?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay. Oh. Come on. Frickin' pigs. Democrats retain the House control. How do they have that vote done so fast? All the states are in.
All states can't be.
Also, Democrats retain House control. Oh, the Senate? This is big. Most stressful day in half of America. Funny.
All right, Roger, why don't you pick some more trivia? Some random trivia.
Carla, $24.99 super chat. Good luck tonight. Thank you so much, Carla. Hope you're doing well. Vegas is not the same without you here with us. Always shows up when we're here.
Based on you playing Roger Free Play, let's pick some random trivia.
All right.
Go for it.
All right. Is this for 100 or 250?
Up to you.
Oh! All right. Should we do the trivia? You know what? Because everybody's sleeping. 3,100 people watching live. Only 700 thumbs up for good fortune, so we give you guys.
High stakes. Jessica McGovern, she won.
Yep.
Nice.
So Jessica, put your Raja Free Play account name in the chat.
One more hat. All right, at least we got one red.
She got some Raja Free Play.
There we go. All right, 2 red now. All right, 3 red.
Yes.
All right, 1 more red. Come on, I need a gold now.
Oh,
Wow. All right, still 4 red. We got possibility to hit the minor 4 times.
I'm gonna give you this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, why don't you just hold it till...
Because
I work for
I have so much on here right now. I'm trying to keep the whole money separate.
All right, come on, Amber, $2.99 super chat. Love you, Raja. Big boom's coming. All right.
Huff N Puff these sauces.
Got 1 coin. That's awful.
Big Jackpot, right?
All right, 750 bucks. Well, we needed it.
You know
Getting
what?
low.
$100 trivia question for everyone who plays Mystic Wolf on Raja Free Play. What's the biggest multiplier you can get on the game? What's the highest multiplier on Mystic Wolf?
There we go. Let's
So
get my
100
back.
bucks.
Caveman, $5 super chat. Caveman in the house. Thanks, TBJ family, for all the prayers and get well soon. Hashtag Raja.
Yes.
Hey, 7 of them.
And the winner is Michael Blecky, guys. $100 free play, Michael Blecky.
Come on, guys. 3,300 people watching live, and we don't even have 1,000 thumbs up for good fortune. Tell those hashtag Rajas. Come on.
10x was the correct answer. Send your username in chat, Michael. Congratulations.
1 more. All right, 2 red to start. We need gold. Come on, those hashtag Rajas.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Nice. 4 of them. All right. Unfortunately, those are only like 25 bucks to 50
Hey,
bucks
those are
right now.
bonus
But,
placements. You get to spin
but now,
back.
yeah, now we need the spin, but we need the gold. Come on, hat. Come on, how can I not get a freaking hat? All right, there we go. Another red. Come on. Worse than the last one.
One more, please.
Ah.
I'll get
All right, 4 red again. So last time was 750. Hopefully this one will be better. Who's gonna huff? Who's gonna puff? Who's gonna blow the house down?
It is.
Comedian Dave. Mr. Mark, $3 super chat. Raja takes Nevada. Coin. Wow, we still can't get 1 freaking coin. Danny Lowe, $2.99 super chat. Good luck. Get a huge hand piss. $600 mini boom again. It's okay.
You know what? I might as well do another $100 trivia question.
Go for it.
What game in RajaFreePlay.com is based off Old Las Vegas? What's the title of the game based off Old Las Vegas?
Good one.
One more. Oh. Mike Johnson got it. Vintage Vegas.
All right, congratulations. Just send your username over and a model.
Oh,
get that.
there. One more column.
Hey guys, we go off the name we see first correct that hasn't won yet. So we do the best we can, and it's free money. So
There's Juicy Doocy in the house with all those really cool emojis. You know what we haven't had in a while? An emoji battle. Where are all my YouTube sponsors with
You
all
know
those
what?
really cool emojis?
I'm gonna pick a YouTube sponsor for $250 who gives us the best emoji battle in Raja Free Play.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's do it.
So YouTube sponsors, give me an emoji
There's
battle.
Dennis.
You know what? I'm gonna pick a first, second, and third.
Tracy D, Marjorie Vargas, Michael Walker, Dana, Cindy, John, Cheryl.
You know what, Lit Kate? That is worth $100 in RajahFreePlay.com, Lit Kate. Send over your username on Raja Free Play for $100.
Kelly Pearson, Jim, Dennis, Wes in the house.
Cindy Sanchez, that's an epic emoji battle. That is worth $100 in Raja Free Play, Cindy.
I like Wes's with all the Jolene ones.
Oh, I haven't got to it yet. And congratulations, our big winner, Wes, $250. Raja Free Play. So guys, if I announced your name, put your username in the chat, and the mod will get that added, guys. Congratulations, winners.
John and Dennis. Ooh, all right, hold on.
You know what, Greg Carter,
There
that
we
was
go.
amazing too. Greg Carter, you win $100.
$100 bet, guys, and we're starting off with the minor for $2,500 and the mini. It's already $3,000 to start on the quick father over here. Oh, there we go. Another $400. It's gonna be big.
Okay.
Another 600. 800 more. Wow. Marjorie Vargas, $1 lucky super chat. There we go. There you go. Another 900. Yeah.
Nice.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Keep
9.
spinning.
Need one more. At least one more. There we go. Another 1,000. That's 10 of them. 10 at 100. Another 1,000.
One more.
There you go.
That's worth $1,200.
Yeah, 1,200 there. Another 1,200. Wow. Let's double it. Let's get the whole screen and double it.
Get that grand.
There's no grand for filling it up, unfortunately, in this game.
Oh my God, 1,400 more.
I think it does double it or have a multiplier.
13 or 1,300 more. Oh my God. Yeah, that's something it does.
I think it adds 3 times your bet. It definitely adds
This
value.
keeps our streak alive of a hand pay on every live stream.
That's right.
One more. Ah, that's still huge.
Great.
Snapchat worthy.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, I thought it was a $150 bet.
Yeah, it's $50.
Oh, I thought it was a $100 one.
I'm like,
Oh.
this money's not going up fast
60 still. 6,800?
enough. That's $2,500. Yes.
6,300. Boom! 6,300. Nice. There we go. Put on the old Snapchat.
While you're doing the old Snapchat, how about we do another question for $100?
Strategies, right? Yeah, hit the one.
All right, guys, $100 question
Boom!
coming up. I want the full name of the game on Raja Free Play. What game has a gorilla in it? What game has a gorilla in it for $100?
Yeah! The streak continues.
That was good with you. Yeah.
NBTILL got it, Golden Gorilla. Congratulations, $100.
Boom!
Raja.
6,300.
Send your username in the chat.
All right, now we got to blow this one out here. Vinny, $2 super chat. The Republican Party thanks Sandy from North Carolina. Come on. One more. Ah.
Got a couple extra ones. Any questions? Ready?
Come on. Look at that bonus.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Miss Richie Blackmore says boom. Nancy Fields is watching.
I got some shout out people for you.
Look at that guy. Get your shout outs.
After his wife was home, I'm so happy to do a photo shoot.
Come on. Wow, Scotland in the house.
guys. Here.
Well, that's not looking good. Pennsylvania? That's not good.
All right. That should be an easy question.
So close.
Huh? Yeah.
$100 question. Who is the face of Raja Free Play? Who is the face of Raja Free Play?
Welcome Lou, our newest YouTube sponsor, has access to the cool emojis. Crazy Curl, $2 super chat. You missed my super chat. Crazy Curl, $1 lucky super chat.